Hello everyone, my name is Sukhraj. In this video, we will learn how we can find the any two digit in the array whose sum is equal to the given number. Like here 7 is given, we need to find if this in this array any two digit have the sum equal to 7, then it should return true, else false. Like here 6 and 1 will be 7, so in that case it will return true. Let's say I'm saying if any two digit is returning 9, so in that case 3 plus 6 is 9, 9 plus 0 is 9, so in that case as well it will return true. But only two digit sum should be equal to now in this case 7. Now let's start on it. I will copy paste some code and then we will go through the logic to understand it to speed up the video. I have pasted the code here. So in this method we are taking the original array and then the particular sum value. Now here we are first, like in our all other old videos or previous videos, we are getting the just length of the array, so that we can use this particular length to iterate through the array. Now while we are looping on the array, in that case we are using for loop and then another for loop. And for the logic for this two for loop is that we are going to find the sum of two digit. If we need to find the sum of three digit, in that case we will take three loop. Now here we are taking two for loop. The logic behind it, because we are going to count only two digit. Now here inside the outer for loop we are taking I less than length. What inside the outer for loop we have the another for loop, that is the nested one. In this one we are taking j is equal to I plus 1, because we can't say 9 plus 9, right? We will say 9 plus 3. So next element value we will take, and we will here inside the flu what we are doing, we are we do the sum up like 9 plus 3, then 9 plus 0, 9 plus 6, 9 plus 2, and when the first this for loop will get executed, after that again we are getting the 3 here and other values till here from the next element of that particular value which we are getting in the outer array. Like in the outer array we are getting the 3 in the second loop, then we are getting the values 0 as the element, and we are doing this sum for them. And if this sum is fine, then we are just returning from the loops, we are just returning true, right? So this is the logic here. Now let's run it. We can understand the logic more deeply when we are doing the code in debug mode. Now here we have the value of I is 0 and j is equal to 1. Now a of I, which will I is value 0, so it will get the value 9 here. This is 9 and this is 3. 9 plus 3 does not equal to 7, so it will not go inside. Now it will do 9 plus 0, now 9 plus 6. So like this it is executing the inner for loop and it's not finding the particular required sum. After executing the inner loop, it is going again to the outer loop, and now in the outer loop it's getting the new index, that is 1, and now j is 2 here. Now array of 1 is 3. Now 3 plus 0, because j is 2 does not equal to 7, again loop is not true. It will execute like this. Now if I will press F5, now see a of I will be 6, this one is 6, and because I is here, what is the value of I? 3. Then 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 is 6 and j value is 6. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the last index here. So 6 plus 1 equal to 7. Now 7 exists, means sum of two digits exist in this particular array, so it is returning true. Similarly, we can get the requirement like if the square of two values is equal to one particular value exists. In that case what we will do, same logic we will use. What here, to find the square, what we will do, just a of I multiply by a of I, similarly a of j multiply by a of j. So here we are saying if a square plus b square is equal to some given value here, that is the 7. Now in this one, 3 square is 9 and 6 square is 36. 36 plus 9 is 45. Let's see it will return true or not. I'm just pressing the F5. Now it came here, so it means it is returning true. 45 exists in this. That's all in this video, and in the next video we will see some other trick on the array. Thank you everyone.